Friends and students, now we'll come to the next topic, or we'll come to the next parts which are important for us. You should see here some parts. I'm just trying to show it to you. These are all diodes. Okay, these are different type of diodes you can see on your screen. I will just try to tell you what type of diodes these are. But before that, you should remember these. We are discussing about active components. Previously, we discussed about passive components. We have seen the parts which are coming in passive component, but we are discussing about active components. Active components and passive components, that all these things I will give you, I will tell you in little later classes. Okay, so these are the diode, right? This is diode. This is also LED. Okay, this is LED. This one is also a diode. We call it as a detector diode. These are Zener diode. This can be the Zener diode or signal diode. This is a rectifier diode. Again, this is also LED, right? Which is surface mounted light, like our electric bulb will have this type of LEDs. And this is also LED. That is, we call it as a 7-segment display. Okay. So these are all active component. What part? Diode. Okay. Diode. Diode had different functions. But just I wanted to show you the types of diode. That's why even SMD will have diodes, right? A small black color, this thing, you will have as SMD diodes also, okay, on the side. But it will be how to identify, again, it will be written on that diodes D, some symbol will be there. So you can identify the diodes, okay, right? So these are the diodes. Now we'll come to the next part, that is what components will come to, we call it as a transistors, okay? So you please see here, we will discuss about active components. We are discussing about active components only. So in this active component, these are the parts, we call it as a transistor. We call it as a transistor, okay? So different sizes and shapes. Even this is also a transistor, okay? So these are different type of transistors. Please remember, all of them have 3 legs. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Even this has a 3, okay? But the sizes are little different. It can be bigger, it can be smaller. Even in this PCB, you have, in this mobile phone PCB, you have transistor, SMD transistor, black color with 3 legs, 3 legs. Okay, so SMD transistor also are present on the mobile phone PCB or any other device. Okay, so these are the 3 leg. What are these 3-point emitter, base, and collector? Okay, how to test this transistor, how to identify the transistor, that we will see little in the later class. Okay, so I have just shown you different type of transistor. Now I will remove these transistors. Now I will show you the parts which are next, which are comes in the category, and I will just try to show it to you, right? That is active component category. These are the, we call it as the ICs, integrated circuits. Okay, ICs, right? ICs are also active components. We got it? ICs are also active components. So active components, different size and shape depending upon the pins, right? So this has dip 8, that means 4 this side and 4 that side. This one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is 14 pin IC. Okay, it can be 14 pin IC. This is also dip IC. Well, this is not an IC. This is the base for the IC. You can fix it on the top of this base. You can just fix the IC on the base. These are the bases which are used in this thing for PCBs and all. So this is the base of the IC. We have different type of ICs that we will study a little later. I will show you here where the IC in this. So this mobile has all these things, you black in color, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so many other ICs will be there, right? Or more, full of ICs. So even this small shiny part, I don't know whether you can see this. These are also ICs. Okay, so ICs are a very important part of electronics, electrical, as well as instrumentation. Okay, different size, shape, number. This is square. You cannot see the pins. We call it as a BGIC, right? Then this we can see the pins and all. It can be flat, it can be square, the number of pin can be more. So these are the differences. Okay, right? So I have shown you the ICs also, and please remember we are discussing about active components, right? We are discussing about active components. So ICs, diodes, transistor are the main part which comes under active components. Passive components already we have discussed. Okay. So please remember LED. LED is also active component. It's a diode. Basically, it's a diode. So please remember that is also an active component.